last few months we've done a lot of work in the yard and around the house. We've built our outdoor patio area and completely changed the look of the backyard. Now it's time to do some fun little backyard projects that are easy, low cost, and make a difference to our lifestyle. Nearly 5 years ago, Lee and I sold up our acreage. We were beach bums for a few years until the money ran out, then had to adult a bit and got real jobs and bought another house again. This time we decided not to go acreage. We thought we'd try and get something that was on an easement in the city. We had a smaller footprint to look after. Sometimes I really miss the acreage. We have tried to look at acreages over the last 6 months to see if there's anything of interest. And the thing that really scares me is the price of acreage. We definitely pulled the trigger way too early on selling our acreage because there's no way we can get back into that space again anywhere near the money that we sold our place for. In fact, we'd easily be $200,000 short. So that's not a thing.
That's not a thing!
We've decided to be a little bit sneaky and do a little bit of an easement creep. We thought it'd be a great opportunity to sneak a little bit of a gate out for easy access. Use it as an area that we can throw the ball around for the dog and maybe plant a few trees that we can't fit onto our normal suburban block, but we can throw them out the back here where no one's really too upset by it. There's plenty of other neighbours around here that look after the back space of their easement and they don't seem to have been told to get rid of their trees. So we're looking at doing something similar. Yeah, so it's not our land. We're not trying to pretend it's our land, but we're just going to look after the space a bit nicer and then occasionally use it for ourselves to sit outside, hopefully under the shade of a tree, and enjoy the space. Got ourselves now a cracking new gate. Well, it's the old fence, but the gate's new. Lee's come in and cut, oh, if you can see under there, cut the supporting areas, added in extra strength, added some extra blocks for the hinges and an area for the actual gate mechanism, and voila, we have a beautiful gate. This is all out of our old recycled fence, by the way. He's also built an area where our gorgeous passion fruit can continue to thrive because the passion fruit plant actually starts over here. Hopefully we'll see some passion fruit popping out real soon. Got your own pool whiskey. Eh? Yeah, that one in the middle. Will that be secure enough? Will do, that's good. How often do you have to replace your sprinklers?
Every time somebody runs over one.
So you've done a few out here then, on the footpath?
Yep. Hanging around.
Oh, fuck.
What are we doing? Drinking.
Cheers.
Good.
Bought a Madagascar palm And they're really unique and interesting looking palm. We thought we'd put it over by the pool there. The challenge that we've got is that the palm is full of thorns and it needs repotting from the pot that we bought it in into a new pot. Would you believe, I think that's probably only around about 50 centimetres tall. And we bought it from a nursery for $125. It wasn't cheap. However, it is quite interesting to look at, and we thought it'd be a great feature for our garden. Because the Madagascar palms need really good drainage, please chuck in some extra drainage holes in the bottom. The plant is quite light, it's fiberglass. And the planter cost us around about, I think it was $115 or something like that from Bunnings. Oh, that sits there perfectly. Only it's a succulent, not a cacti. I don't know. But anyway, we've got some specialty soil, the soil that's already in it, in the pot, and just a bit of general soil for on top. Hey. Whiskey, you're not allowed in the pool, mate. Something we've been playing around with is this idea of what we're going to do in the way of a fire pit. Originally, my mum and her partner had organised a couple of plough discs. They're a little bit small, so we'll try and find something else to do with those plough discs. These blocks here are the ones left over from the garden bed that we pulled apart with all the quarter lines in it. And we've just had them sitting down the side of the house. So like, well, maybe we'll just save some money and recycle these. Originally it was going to be like a little semicircle half, but something that we didn't consider is that the fire would actually creep up onto the concrete and that would be bad. Getting stuck in, well, Lee's getting stuck in, and we're going to rearrange these rocks a bit and see if we can do something a little bit better. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some inspiration. I can't wait to see what happens with our little space out here on the public easement, see what we can do with it. Ciao, bye. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's it.